Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
All right. What's happening? How you doing? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I got a little something from South Korea. Check it out. More Buldak. Meat spaghetti. All right, so how you doing? Hope you're doing well. It's official. I've given up on not talking about the coronavirus. There's just no point. It's fascinating. It's gripped the whole world in suspense and fascination. It's fun. It's wacky. It's all sorts of weird. And, you know, it's kind of like the internet, Y2K, and 9/11 all rolled into one, so let's have some noodles, right? Right. So we're gonna take this and put a block that came from some kamaboko on top, and we're gonna give it, oh God, how long? Isn't it 4 minutes? Ow! Yes? I'm gonna say it says 4 minutes just because I'm gonna. It could be 5 though. Let me look closer. Usually the number is like, oh, there it is. There's a 4. And it looks like this is what is that? There's a scale on the side of it that says 1200 milligram, but I'm guessing that might be Scoville? I don't know. But anyways, yeah, things have gotten weird. And supposedly they're gonna send everybody free money because, you know, hell in a handbasket. But yeah, that should help. Because I mean, if my wife lost her job, oh man, we'd be toast. If I lost the money I make, we'd be toast. So, yep, but there is money on the way from the government, hopefully. Hopefully. So what's new? Stock market tanked again today. That's not new. Oh yeah, so we got neighbors downstairs now. So that means get a phone call. Gotta call the office. Office is like, yeah, they don't like that you were pacing back and forth between 3 and 8 a.m. I can understand that. So gotta take it outside. So around what, 4? No, like 5 something, because I slept in like a fool. Like around 5 in the morning, and it was like 28 degrees, and Walked down to the main drag, walked up to the end, walked back, got some cheese and yogurt drinks for the kids, and came home. So that worked out. I've just got to change things up, and I think it's going to go well. Yeah. Unless they do a, what do they call it? A shelter in place. You're like, yeah, but I really want to push my daughter around in her stroller. Is that like even remotely okay? I have a feeling they'll say, no. So. But you never know. And we're hoping the place my wife works at is considered an essential business. We think it will be. That's what we think. We're hopeful. And yeah. But it's a beautiful day outside. And we don't have any bananas, so I might have to run to the store for bananas. I have to throw my daughter in the stroller and blast loud music and use the 1,000 lumen floodlights that are on the front. Because we're still in charge. Huh? It's big? 19? 15? Oh, neat. Yay! It's all done! Yay! And here we are done. Now what you would normally do, I'm going to show you. See the triangles? What you do is you take a chopstick and you go pop, 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 and then you tilt it and pour it out. Honestly, if I did that, I would just make the most ridiculously huge mess. So, yeah, Papa doesn't like to make a mess. He's better at it than you are. So we're gonna take this and drain it. That away. Oh, my thumb. Okay. Now what I'm kind of curious about, there's these little bits in here. And I need a fork. Let's see. So before I add the liquid to it, but it says with meat, and I don't know if this is actually meat or not. I'm guessing it's TVP. I can tell real quick. I'm gonna guess that's TVP. If not, I apologize profusely, but if it wasn't TVP, I don't think they would have sent it. That kind of stuff. Some companies don't want to risk things not making it through the mail, while others don't. They don't care. They're gonna get it to me in any way, shape, or form. Which I can respect both sides. Yeah. So now, what I'm gonna just... Uh-oh. Did something happen there? Did I not hit record? Uh-oh. I hope that's not the deal. How's everybody doing? All of a sudden the screen went away. Maybe I bumped it earlier. That worries me. But I will survive. Okay. I got some mozzarella. Mozzarella. And I know usually it's a Parmesan cheese kind of thing. Now remember, there's Parmesan cheese And then there's Parmesan. I think they're both Italian. No, Parmesan is Italian and Parmesan is French? Or maybe they're both Italian? I don't remember, but I know they're not. There's Parmesan and Parmesan. I want to say Parmesan is French. I don't know. I also want to say it's really tempting to do a mukbang of this, like, immediately. But I don't know. There might be just too much richness going on in one fell swoop. Because see, I just reviewed a variety from Taiwan that was full of duck blood, and I'm like, that's pretty rich. There's that. And now we're going to add some chias. Some mozzarella. And spring onion. There we are. Yeah. So I think we gotta let Rotato do it to it. The kids are running around with their own kind of special Armageddon, making it so. So let's make it Rotato. Very good, very good. Well, thank you for watching, and thank you to the folks over at Samyang Foods for shooting this over. This has been the Christmas edition Buldak meat spaghetti. So yeah, awesome. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.